Top 15 Renewable Energy-Based Project Ideas. 1. Solar-Powered Irrigation System. Design and implement an irrigation system for agriculture or landscaping that utilizes solar panels to power water pumps, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing operating costs. 2. Wind turbine optimization. Develop algorithms and control systems to optimize the performance of wind turbines, maximizing energy output by adjusting blade angles and yaw angles based on wind conditions. 3. Biogas production from organic waste. Construct a biogas digester system that converts organic waste, such as food scraps or agricultural residues, into biogas for cooking, heating, or electricity generation. 4. Hydroelectric power generation from small streams. Design and build a micro-hydroelectric power plant to harness the energy of small streams or rivers for off-grid electricity generation in remote areas. 5. Solar water desalination. Create a solar-powered desalination system that uses solar energy to produce fresh water from seawater or brackish water, addressing water scarcity issues in coastal regions. 6. Solar-powered air conditioning. Develop a solar-powered air conditioning system for residential or commercial buildings, using solar thermal or photovoltaic technology to provide cooling without relying on grid electricity. 7. Biofuel production from algae. Investigate methods for cultivating algae and extracting biofuels such as biodiesel or bioethanol, exploring their potential as renewable alternatives to fossil fuels. 8. Geothermal heat pump system. Design and install a geothermal heat pump system that taps into the Earth's natural heat to provide space heating, cooling, and hot water for buildings with high energy efficiency. 9. Solar-powered street lighting. Implement a solar street lighting system that uses photovoltaic panels to generate electricity during the day, storing it in batteries for use in LED streetlights at night, reducing energy costs and carbon emissions. 10. Wave energy harvesting. Develop a wave energy harvesting device or system to capture energy from ocean waves and convert it into electricity, providing a renewable source of power for coastal communities. 11. Solar-powered water purification. Create a solar-powered water purification system that uses photovoltaic panels to power pumps and filters, providing clean drinking water in remote or disaster-stricken areas. 12. Solar-powered electric vehicle charging stations. Install solar-powered electric vehicle (EV) charging stations equipped with photovoltaic canopies to generate electricity on site, promoting sustainable transportation infrastructure. 13. Hybrid renewable energy systems. Design and optimize hybrid renewable energy systems that combine solar, wind, hydro, or biomass sources to provide reliable and efficient power generation for off-grid or grid-connected applications. 14. Solar-powered remote monitoring systems. Develop solar-powered remote monitoring systems for renewable energy installations, using IoT devices and wireless communication to collect data on energy production, weather conditions, and equipment performance. 15. Community-based renewable energy projects. Collaborate with local communities to develop and implement renewable energy projects, such as community solar gardens, wind cooperatives, or biomass cogeneration facilities, fostering community engagement and sustainability.